Okay, I actually understand this now, and it is so cool. It's scary that I already did a question and didn't really understand it, but here we go. In this question, it asks you to find the length from A to H. So find the length of A to H. If you think about it, your triangle is here. So you need to find the length of your hypotenuse of A to H, but you've also got H to D and then D to A. Now we know D to A. We know this length because this is a box. This is 7. But we don't know D to H. We don't know this one. And you know with Pythagorean theorem, you have to know 2 to get the third. So how do I do that? This is so cool. I figured this out. So what you do is this is also a right-angled triangle. And we know this is 12 because it says right there. We also know this is 5 because this is a box and that side's 5. So that's 5. So we can figure out this side. We know, I'm going to call this x. X squared equals 12 squared plus 5 squared. That's 144 plus 25 equals 169. And x equals the square root of that, which is 13. How cool is that? So now we know this one. So now we can put that here into our formula. So now we're going to try to find this, which is y. So I'm going to switch my colors because I'm over here. So now I have y squared equals 13 squared plus 7 squared equals, I worked it out, I just picked y out of the hat, by the way, it's nothing. I think, did I do that right? It's like 218, and then the square root of that is, not working, hang on. The square root of 218 is 14.76, but it asks you to do it to 3 numbers. So it's if it's 14.76, but it only wants it to 3 numbers, I'm going to round that up to 14.8, and that's how we get it. Now they use the formula a squared plus b squared plus c squared equals d squared. And yes, that works. Why? Because a plus b, consider this as a and b, a plus b equals this one, which is so cool, which is this one. Anyway, if that screws you up, just think about this. I need to find the hypotenuse. So find out use your Pythagorean theorem for the bottom. Oh, look at the little spirit here. Find the hypotenuse, and then you can use that to find the longest diagonal in the box. Oh, that is so freaking cool.